Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn about how to create index on SQL Server, how many types of indexes we have. I'll explain in this video. So first of all, we'll connect to the database. I have connected to the database, and next, whatever the table have created, you can drop the table. So table I have dropped, and I am trying to create the table again. So table has created. Next, I am trying to see existing table schema structure. So this is the table schema. Here I have not created any kind of indexes. That's why you have not seen any indexes here. Next, I am trying to insert the data. It's an optional, but yeah, we are inserting the data. Let me check. Okay, two records were inserted. Next, again, I am trying to see the structure. So we have not disturbed the existing structure, so you won't see any difference. Next, clustered index. We have two types of indexes. First one will be the clustered, and second one will be the non-clustered. So what is the main advantage with the indexes means? For performance tuning related purpose, we are creating the indexes. Mostly in SQL operations are row by row operations. That means whatever the operations you are trying to perform, like insert and update and delete. So while you are doing any kind of the filter condition in the where class, probably it will do row by row operation. That means the search engine will search for specific records in row by row format. Such kind of operations will be avoided if we create a index on specific field. Directly it will fetch the specific record from the backend for avoiding. Mostly, let me explain here. For example, I have created yeah, first of all, let me tell the difference between the clustered index and non-clustered index. In table level, we should create a clustered index on primary key field only, because it won't allow null values, and along with the primary key does not contain duplicate values. Mostly for table level, we have only one clustered index on primary key level only. How to create clustered index? So this is the syntax. We can create the clustered index. Now let me see table structure one more time. So we have created the clustered index. Here you can see clustered index name on specific field, whatever the field we have created. So in which use case we should create a clustered index or non-clustered index means in entire table. For example, yeah, in your case or my case, for example, we have 100 fields in specific table. We I mean, for use case purpose, we should use filter conditions on some specific fields only. If the specific field is a primary key, we can use the clustered index. Okay. If specific key is not a primary key, whatever the fields most oftenly we are using, such kind of fields we can create. I mean, we can create a non-clustered index on such kind of fields. For example, this is the clustered index. Let me show example for non-clustered index. In employee table, I'm oftenly using the salary and hire days. So probably I am creating non-clustered index on these two fields. If you want to add some other fields also, you can add. That's not a problem here. So let me create non-clustered index. Yeah. Again, let me see table syntax. I'm sorry. Yeah, table structure. Here you can see this is the clustered index on employee ID. That means a primary key field. In my use case, I have not created a primary key constraint, but in real time, we should have to use primary key constraint only. Next, second one will be the non-clustered index. We have created non-clustered index on two fields. So first one will be the salary, and second one will be the hire date. So for range searching related, whatever the fields most oftenly you are using in the table level, you can identify such fields and you can create a non-clustered index on such fields. So you can see here we have created non-clustered index or clustered index on specific fields. So it will improve the performance in the backend because of this index concept. Okay. So we can see table structure. Yeah, just now we have also verified the table structure. This is a clustered and non-clustered index. How we can drop clustered index and non-clustered index? By using this drop index name. If exist means if index was exist, it will drop, or else it won't drop for smooth execution. Yeah, we have dropped successfully. Let me run this one more time. You can see here we have dropped. So that's all about this video, guys. Yeah, thank you. Stay tuned for more content.